gliding silently along the ocean floor. A soft, unassuming creature moves slowly, unnoticed. Yet it plays a vital role in the ecosystem, the sea cucumber. This is the sea cucumber, a marine animal known for its elongated, leathery body and slow, deliberate movements. Most species range from 10 to 30 centimeters in length, though some can grow larger. Though they may seem simple, sea cucumbers are essential for maintaining healthy ocean floors. Sea cucumbers inhabit oceans worldwide, from shallow coral reefs to the deep sea. They prefer sandy, muddy, or detritus-rich bottoms where they can feed and hide. These creatures often move slowly in groups, quietly recycling nutrients and aerating the seabed. Sea cucumbers have soft, elongated bodies covered with a leathery skin. They come in various colors: brown, green, orange, or red, often blending with the seafloor. Tentacle-like structures around their mouth help capture organic matter, sand, and plankton for nourishment. Sea cucumbers are slow-moving and mostly sedentary. They play a crucial role by cleaning the ocean floor, consuming detritus, and recycling nutrients. When threatened, some species can expel internal organs as a defense mechanism, a startling but temporary tactic. Despite their harmless appearance, they can survive in harsh conditions and adapt to different ocean environments. Sea cucumbers are detritivores. They feed on decaying organic matter, plankton, and sediment, ingesting sand and extracting nutrients. This feeding behavior helps keep the seabed clean and supports overall ecosystem health. The sea cucumber is extraordinary. Cleans and recycles nutrients from the ocean floor. Can expel internal organs to deter predators. Flexible, soft body for navigating tight spaces. Adaptable to shallow and deep sea environments. Supports coral reef and seabed health. Regenerative abilities to recover lost organs. Despite their importance, sea cucumbers are vulnerable. They move slowly and cannot escape predators easily. Over-harvesting for food and habitat destruction also threatens certain species. Sea cucumbers reproduce both sexually and asexually. In sexual reproduction, males and females release gametes into the water, where fertilization occurs. Some species can regenerate lost parts, which can aid survival and recovery in populations. Sea cucumbers can eject their internal organs when threatened and later regenerate them. They play a critical role in marine ecosystems by keeping sediments healthy. Some species can live for decades, quietly supporting life on the ocean floor. The sea cucumber is a quiet hero of the ocean, unassuming, slow, yet vital. Soft, humble, and resilient, it ensures the ocean floor thrives for countless other creatures. This is the sea cucumber.